Hey folks, what's up? Were you thinking, you know what, I want to know about trench drains and French drains, and how about you go about doing that for the first time in your life? You were? Good!
Okay, it's been a little bit since the last one. I've got a couple other videos going on at the same time, because I'm kind of doing them all at the same time. But I'm going to do this pour in 2 stages. Once to get all these pieces that were cracked away and had to get the cement going in different directions, and then the next one of actually setting up that trench drain. So I'm going to start a time lapse here and show you that. Alright, haven't got a whole lot of speaking stuff done today as I've been working on this, but it's really just running out of fall, so I want to get as much of this done as I could. So as you can see, got my paper here, all filled in, and then I put the gravel on top of that, and the pipe in, putting a little bit of this paper over the end of the tube just because that seems like it makes sense to me. We'll see. And that's about it. So, if you want your neighbors to think you're weird, just start filming everything you're doing outside. Thanks for watching. So, as you can see, basically all fall was all about getting this garage in order so I can work on the rest of the house and have it be a good workshop. I was getting a lot of water coming in here. It was just flowing right in because of everything sloped towards here. So I put this trench drain the whole length in front of the garage and sloped everything down towards the center of that with this cement. And then that leads out over here into a French drain where it'll probably drain into the yard. Been here for about a month now that I've been finished, and still need to clean up a little bit here and there, but the job itself is done. So thank you again for watching, and if you like this video, thumbs up down there and give me a subscribe. Thanks, I appreciate it.